Welcome to Learn Easy English. Today's lesson is all about making plans in English. Have you ever wanted to invite a friend, set up a meeting, or arrange a fun day out? Watch this video to learn useful phrases and easy dialogues for planning with confidence. Let's make speaking English simple and fun. Let's get started. Planning a study group.
Hi! Are you free to study together on Saturday?
Hi! Yes, I'm free. What time?
Let's meet at AM at the library.
Okay, see you at the library on Saturday.
Planning to watch a movie.
Are you free tomorrow evening?
Yes, I am. What do you want to do?
Let's watch a movie at the mall.
Good idea. What movie?
The new animated film. It starts at PM.
Perfect. I'll meet you there.
Planning a coffee meetup.
Can we meet for coffee this Friday?
Sure. What time?
How about PM at the cafe near your house?
Sounds good. See you on Friday.
Thanks for watching.